OG. I made steak the other day. I want to turn them into gyros because I got naan bread at the market. And I want to make my vegan tzatziki recipe. I'm also going to do a cucumber salad and a little mocktail. And I wrote everything down because I just want to vibe a little bit, to be honest, and not be on my phone. So that's why I wrote everything down. Just one sensory thing down, and then I'm going to listen to music because he's watching the 2025 Home Run Derby. Anything that ends with Derby, I'm so sorry, I have to ridicule it. Like, Derby. Last night. Dinner was really good. I put my foot in that. Like, killed it. Right now, I want to show you guys some things that I got from Peppermayo. See if they fit. See if they're trip worthy. Just see how we feel. It needs a bra. It definitely needs a bra. Or I could adjust the straps because they are kind of like adjustable. This is the first dress. Gorgeous. Red lace. It has this boning type corset kind of built in. It's like I thought this would have a tie in it. I didn't even check the back. But yeah, it's just the boning. Trying to give you like OG Patricia Bright. But yeah, really cute, really stretchy. Next dress. Next dress. This reminds me of how to lose a man in 10 days. It's like how to get a man in 10 seconds. Cause like, I'm sorry, wow. The color, fantastic. Fantastic. Just fantastic. I love the color of it. It's like, it's just a really cute yellow. I wouldn't call this like a butter yellow. There is a tinge of like, I don't know, almost like green to it, but it is still very like close to butter yellow. I would say it's more like a golden, than butter, but super cute. Strapless. I love the bag. It has a little bow that we can tie. I usually don't like satin. I usually hate satin. Actually, this is a good satin. It's not too shiny. I do not like super shiny materials. I think they reflect the light and they make you look clumpy. So I don't like that. But yeah, I like this dress. And if I'm moving a lot, it's because y'all, I'm sorry, I'm hot. I'm hot and I'm trying to catch every bit of breeze this fan is giving me. Every breeze, I'm like, ah. Anyways, I do like this dress a lot though. I think it's really pretty. If you have dark skin or a tan, you're gonna radiate. You're gonna radiate in it. It's stupid, but it is a little short. So if you have a bum, there's no bending. There's absolutely no bending in this dress. I have that. That's my. There's. It's actually not even covering my actual everything. So if I sit in this dress, like if I sit like right here, I feel this counter all up in my bits. I don't think you'll have that problem. Just size up if you have a bigger butt, because it's just... This is a set. It's a linen set. I have it really low slung. I got these a size up specifically so I could wear it like mad low, because anything with a drawstring is like I can wear it up here when I need to if I'm wearing something else, but I like the drama. I'm gonna be so for real. And then the top is why I was so enamored with this set. Like, it's so... Sorry, I have to show y'all this maybe more like full on so y'all can see like where it hits on your body a little bit more. I'll show you in a sec, but right now, like, I think this top is just so unique. Like, it's so pretty. It's a halter, and it has like these ruffles, and there's a zipper on the side. So there's a zipper on this side to help you get into it, because there's no way you can't pull this over your butt. You have to pull it over your head with the zipper, and it has like a nice keyhole. You put your boobs through. I don't know what you all want to do. I'm gonna put my boobs through it probably. Do y'all see the like the vibes of this? They have it in other colors, so if black's not your thing, like, but I feel like this is such a summer, like both pieces are such a good thing to get as like a set, because like this top by itself, so cute. The skirt is actually a staple, so like I'm so pleased with this, but together it's very unique. You know what I mean? It's like for one thing to be a staple and the other one to still be like a, I don't know, I just think they crafted this set really well for value. Like, do y'all see the vibes? It's like I need one red rose and like red lipstick and like someone's like a man's actual cauterized beating heart, just like right here, but it's like shrunk into the size of like a hummingbird's heart. I don't even know, but those are the vibes. Hope you guys like them. I'll link them down below. What else am I doing today? I can literally only see 5 seconds in front of me. Sorry. I'm like, okay. I don't know. Look, I'm like, I actually have to go reference my Notion because I cannot think without it. Y'all, I'm telling you, fire. Even Andrew's like, wait, this is like a bell pepper. You thought it was like a sweet tomato or something. Fire. Fire. I'm so glad I put the whole thing in there. Would have been a waste not to. But yeah, and even the cucumber was also from the farmer's market. So good. Like, there's such a difference in the taste. Like, I did not believe the hype, and now I totally do. Like, such a difference. Like, I'm so excited to eat this salad because it tastes like fruit, but it's, well, cucumber. It's a pepper. Maybe this is a fruit salad. I don't know. Creatine, but I want to update you. I feel like I also have not been very consistent in the gym, but I have been taking it, but I'm gonna take it again today before I go to the gym. But I haven't been doing like crazy weights. I've mostly been doing like protein, stuff like that. That's what I should have worn, something like this, but I did, so it's the best I can do. I'm happy. I feel like I've definitely seen results in my abs. I definitely see like, when I'm doing my thing, I can see my muscles are like, because you're getting more water to your muscles or more oxygen to your muscles. I don't know. But the point is, you can see the difference when you're working out. It's like a little more prominent. I'm sorry, these are awful. I know that they're trying to make them taste good, but these are awful. Okay. You know what I'm also going to take? I've been taking this every now and again, but I need to be more consistent. It's because these, and with these, you take 3 of these, it's just too much. I'll be so annoyed. I just don't know, but you can take 2 to 3 of these, but these are the Beekeeper Naturals Propolis Complete Gut Health Pre, Pro, and Post Biotics, and you get like a ton in here. But I really like these. These and the Array are contributing the most to why my stomach is so flat right now. This is what I had on last night. I'm gonna re-up because we did massages last night, so it just rubbed off. Oops. This is Net's Lemon Puff. If you've never had a lemon fragrance, I don't blame you. They don't sound exciting. Sometimes they aren't even exciting. Lemon is just so lemon. This is not that. It is more puff than anything. The lemon is there for a second, the top note, and then it's gone. But this leaves behind. It is such a beautiful skin, fluffy meringue type. But you also, it has that familiarity of as if you're like a teacher. Sorry. It just smells familiar. Like it has that smell of like a teacher. Like teachers smell like that. So that familiar, beautiful smell. I like the bottle. I think it's interesting. It's pretty. I think it looks nice on a, with everything else. And like, it's nice to bring your eye down to something a little lower. So I appreciate that. This is on my, I like it when I sweat scents. I also like this because this smells good on your hair. The hair I have out. Do my slut strands. I heard that's what snowboard girls call these. They're slut strands. I was like, this is so funny. I love when girl worlds intersect. I didn't know. I was like, oh, I need friends that snowboard. I was like, I don't know if I know of. Actually, I guess I do. I know a girl. She's cool. They're just like as cool as you imagine. Closer to me, I got feelings for you. I'm not gonna ignore them. Anyways, I'm gonna take a shower and get ready. Actually, I need to film like a shower routine, but I'm gonna shower and then I'm gonna film because it's mostly out of the shower. But I'm like, I just can't. Like, you know what I mean? It's like, this is just, I might even shower, do my makeup, and then hop back in the shower. Probably that's exactly what to do.